Welcome to Harmony Stores, IKEJA City Mall. Today we have these two beautiful laptops I would like to tell you about. Can I meet you?
Sure. My name is Nathaniel Adeyi. I am one of the customer care representatives here at Harmony ICM. Yes.
Okay, so right here, guys, we have these two beautiful laptops. We have the Lenovo Legion and we have the HP Spectre 360. Can you tell us the features of this laptop in terms of the processor, the operating system, the storage, and the size? What can you tell us about them?
All right.
So let's start with this Lenovo Legion. Oh, it's such a beautiful laptop.
Yes, of
course. Can you tell us about it?
All right, so the Lenovo Legion 5 laptop, it is designed to meet gamers' needs, and it is also designed for those who are into heavy graphics. It is a 15.6-inch screen. It comes with a processor Core i7 12th generation with a 16 gig RAM and 1 terabyte solid-state drive. This laptop comes also with a 4 gig NVIDIA RTX graphics card to also enhance the performance of your graphic needs as well. It also have 2 strong fans to help cool the processor to avoid it from overheating, also to make your job smooth and easy.
So guys, like you said, we'll be comparing two laptops together. We've talked about the Lenovo Legion 5. Right here we have the HP Spectre 360 convertible laptop. So I'll be handing this laptop over to Mr. Nathaniel to talk about the features of this HP Spectre 360 convertible laptop.
This laptop is beautiful. It is designed for executive purpose. It is sleek and very smooth with a good touch when you touch the laptop. Like we said, it is 360. You can flip it over for convenience at the office or probably in the vehicle while you are going home. You can work with it with ease. This laptop is a Core i7 processor with a 16 gig RAM and a 512 gig solid-state drive.
So Mr. Nathaniel, what makes this laptop different from this and what makes this different from this? Can you tell us?
Yes, sure. So to begin with, the prices are not the same because we have this Spectre in 512 SSD storage, while the Lenovo Legion comes with 1 terabyte SSD storage. Another sweet difference about these two laptops is that the Spectre also have a fingerprint for quick unlock when you boot up your system, but the Lenovo Legion does not have a fingerprint as well. Then the Spectre is convertible, like we rightly mentioned earlier on, to make your work easier to work with it, while the Lenovo Legion is not convertible. It is just a notebook version, which means you need to be on a table to work with it.
Guys, like you have heard, at Harmony Stores, we sell correct gadgets and also original. Another thing I would like you to know is when you buy from Harmony Stores in Lagos and Abuja, you enjoy great warranty on all your purchase. And another interesting thing is that when you shop within Abuja and within Lagos, you enjoy free delivery on all your purchase. So guys, we are always open to serve you. Come into our store at Harmony Stores, IKEJA City Mall, and patronize us. For more information, follow us on Instagram at Harmony Stores NG or call the number on our bio.